Hi, we are your kidneys. Nice to meet you. We are the general cleaners of your body. Our function is to remove waste materials from your body. No, this is not the cap. It's a pair of adrenal gland. The gland will tell its story some other day. Okay, I'm your left kidney and meet my friend right kidney. I'm a little lower to the left kidney because I have to adjust the liver. So we are happy working together and we remove the extra waste material from your body which is not good for your health. You need to know what we do. We basically work together like our first function is to purify your blood. Yes, we purify your blood from all the waste materials and provide you a fresh oxygenated blood. Number 2, we work together to maintain the normal water level. If there is extra water in your body, we remove it in the form of the urine. If there is less water in your body, we absorb it to prevent you from dehydration. Yes, this is the trash which is harmful for your body. We remove it in the form of urea and uric acid, creatinine. We maintain the normal sodium and potassium ions level in your body. That is very essential for your health. Hopefully you like our functions. For example, if you drink less water and you suffer from dehydration, your cells will shrink. The master of our body, the king of our body, the brain will order me to absorb more water. Yes, it releases this hormone called ADH that acts on my tubules and absorb more and more water. That's why in this case there is less urine and more concentrated urine, that is the more yellow color of the urine. So in this way we try to prevent your body from dehydration. But in opposite way, if you drink excess water, then your cells will swell. In this case, brain stop the secretion of ADH. Yes, it says please don't secrete, and it orders me to remove extra water. This extra water, please remove it in the form of urine. Yeah, no ADH and the order on my tubules to secrete more and more water in the form of urine. In this way, we maintain the normal level of water in your body. I work through this complicated, complex network of tubules. In this way, our function is to absorb useful materials for your body. That is, I absorb water, amino acids, glucose for your health, for you. And I excrete harmful substances that is not good for your health and body. That is the urea, uric acid and creatinine in the form of urine. This is my work. So if you want to see me healthy, happy and smiley, you have to follow some rules. Please have a healthy lifestyle, a healthy diet. Please, no smoking. Of course, a regular exercise that is not only important for me but also for all the organs of the body. Very important. You have to take proper control of your blood sugar because extra glucose can cause damage to my blood vessels and my membranes. The proper blood pressure control is very important because prolonged blood pressure can cause damage to my blood vessels and irreversible damage to me. And the last point is please no extra use of the drugs because it also causes damage to me. So if you are unable to control all these things, so the prolonged exposure of extra blood sugar level and the high blood pressure, it caused damage to me, permanent damage. What is the report? Oh, you are fail. You are not eligible. Oh God, poor champ. I work very hard, but that's the burden on me, the extra burden of waste materials on me that cause permanent damage to me. What should I do now? So bad. What are the symptoms of the chronic kidney disease? Feeling very itchy. That's the first symptom because of the waste material in your body. Sense of fatigue, dizzy and weakness. Extra swelling of your hands and feet, especially the swelling of your eyes because of the extra nitrogenous material, feeling of nausea and vomiting. And these nitrogenous material which are unable to excrete, it cause trouble with the concentration of your mind. Mild cases can be treated with medicine, but most ends on dialysis. So I'm sure you will be happy to meet me. I'm just saying you to achieve a healthy lifestyle. With this, I will also work 24/7 to give you a healthy life. Bye.